Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new 2025 Sea Ray SDX 290. All right, so 290 sun deck, really big cockpit. I like the 290 because you have these backrests, one for the driver's seat, one on the companion side that can flip forward if you want to entertain here in the cockpit of the boat. But when you're driving, if people want to sit facing forward, just flip the seats back. You've got room for two on either side, which is really, really nice. Over here, you do have a wet bar. So electric Kenyan grill, refrigerator, or a sink, and a Dometic refrigerator built underneath the grill. This one was also ordered with the cool box option. That's really popular down here in Texas. You can dump your drinks down in here, turn it on, throw a couple bags of ice on top of it, and it's going to keep ice for you all day. Also space for a slide-in cooler underneath this seat over here. Vacuum flush head, which is really nice. No mess, no fuss, easy to take care of. Just take it to a marina, they can pump it out for you. Glass dash with the Simrad. So this one has the new Simrad screens with all the updated software. Really easy to use, definitely easier than the last generation was, which I'm a fan of. Upgraded Fusion audio, so this does have the subwoofer and the amplifiers. This also has a full lighting package in it. So LED lights underneath your seat bases, in all of your cup holders, as well as underwater. This also has docking lights. Moving up to the bow of the boat, this is where your windlass will be. There's also a filler cushion for this, so you can turn this into one big sit pit, as well as two flip down armrests up in the front. Great place to lounge if you want to be out in the sun. If you want to be in the shade, the extended shade over top of the bimini top is oversized. Shades all the way from the windshield all the way back to the very backrest on the back of the boat. And speaking of the back of the boat, this one was ordered with the twin loungers, which is something we haven't ordered here in Dallas for a while. I was always a big fan of them. You get these two really big, nice stern-facing loungers, which are great places to sit. You can pull the tab, they can slide out a little bit, give you a little bit more support for underneath your legs. Built-in cooler in the back, as well as a flip-over submersible swim platform on the back. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.